Conflux, we produce high-performing thermal solutions. What we do is we design, simulate and manufacture ultra-performing, lightweight, compact devices enabled by 3D printing. Leveraging Conflux's patented core technology along with 3D printing, we can produce components like this water-charged air cooler with wall thicknesses down to 150 micron non-gas tight and 300 micron gas tight.
When we started the project and Donkervoort threw at us the challenge of outperforming their incumbent traditional water-charged air cooler design, it became very clear very soon that the team is very experienced in adopting innovations. So with their open-minded approach, we developed a much better solution by splitting the WCAG into 2 units, giving then even more weight saving and giving a solution to the very critical packaging constraints they had with the WCAG system.
We're excited to bring this lightweight technology from Formula 1 to the new Donkervoort P24 RS and break some records.
I was really excited to see our solution in the car, in the engine. And you really put a smile on my face to see that beautifully engineered. And I really hope that the Donkervoort customers will experience the same thing as I did.